In the spring here, it's cold, 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 cold. You need to plant tomorrow. And then once you plant tomorrow, it's going to be 120 degrees tomorrow. So now you have to put all the shades.
Yeah.
And then it becomes a little more 95, 100.
Right.
And the plants get used to it.
Still a lot of stress for the plants.
But it's more stressful when you just put them in the ground and it becomes 110 the next day.
Right, right.
Then I go to the grocery outlet and I buy all of these umbrellas. And I have a whole bunch of them, see? That I can move around and make my plants some shade. They are very easy to stick in the ground. And if it's going to be really, really, really hot, all I have to do is, put them down. The garden looks pretty. And they're only $7.
Yeah, that's actually a great idea.
These are $3.
That's amazing idea.
And I have this one there because the timer doesn't like the heat. So the umbrella keeps the timer from me spending $30 every year on a new timer.
Smart.
And those are $3. So it's fantastic.
It's great. Tips, right?
Yes.
How you can do it.
Yes. And you can move them around depending which plant is stressed and which plant is happy.